by saying that there's a lot of improvement in the mobilization of materials to various polling units. Averagely, that was done in good time. And I also want to commend the security agencies that there was, in fact, I would say we are suffocated with security. I would say that security is oversubscribed for the election. There was adequate security across board, and I think the security agencies so far have done brilliantly well. Though the problem is always at the collation center. At times you see peaceful conducts of elections, peaceful process of electioneering, but the problem actually is at the collation center. I just do hope that the security agencies will do exactly what they did during the preparatory processes of the election to the actual vote casting, to results announcement, that the same type of vigor is given to the collation centers. The collation centers must be protected at local government level, at the federal level, and at the state level. I hope that will be done. But we have problems in Ogori-Magongo, and then the 5 local governments actually in the central senatorial district of the state. We had cases of results sheets by INEC officials in the carrying result sheets in their bags that already have been filled even before accreditation took place. And very gallant, vibrant youths accosted some of the POs and some of the assistant polling clerks to just to find out that the sheets they are carrying were already filled, were already results already stated, even when accreditation has not taken place. And I think that's a huge disappointment, because I was thinking INEC will use this opportunity to redeem our image. They will use this opportunity to ameliorate the mistakes of the past, though some of them deliberate. It's a shame that we could see INEC original result sheets carried not by hoodlums, not by party members, but by INEC staff already filled. And when they were being asked for the other original result sheet or any, they said they don't have any other results. So as I speak with you, there is no voting going on in the entire Ogori-Magongo local government, and it's a big shame.
So as a candidate, what do you want to be done?
What I want to be done is justice, because I call my agents across the state and I say anywhere the result sheet is not shown to you, anywhere you're not seeing that there's a blank sheet before accreditation, don't participate in the election. And that was what they carried out in Ogori-Magongo today. But we've not had any, apart from the Kina local government, where some hoodlums tried to snatch ballot boxes and some of them were killed. Across the state, I think it's so far so good.
Okay, so you've expressed concerns over what will likely happen at the collation centers. Have you put any measures in place to kind of checkmate some of these?
I am not part of the security architecture of this country, but what we have done is we have called on relevant quarters to make sure that the collation centers are protected, local government by local government, and the final collation center in Lokoja should be adequately protected. And we have called on the INEC chairman and the REC of the state that observers should not have any place inside the collation center, because most of APC members got the observers tag. We don't know how they got it, and that is what they've been using over the years to take over the collation center, because once they have the observers tag, they have access to the center and they dominate the place and then carry out the havoc. But we are saying this time around, anyone with an observation of election is during the electioneering process. At the collation center, the agents are the ones who are supposed to be inside with the relevant INEC officials, because no vote is taking place. It is a matter of collation. So at that point, I think where commissioners will wear observer tag, where special assistants to the governor will wear special tags and walk and stroll into the collation center will not be allowed by the PDP.
All right, so electoral malpractices seems to be part of Nigeria's electoral history. As a stakeholder, how do you think we can ameliorate this totally?
The way to ameliorate is for PDP to, is for APC to become born again. You you are investigative journalists, you went around today and you see they were sharing wrappers. They were sharing wrappers and giving huge sum of money to monetize the consciences of the electorate and the voters. The way to do it is for Nigerians to become born again, is for us to have an attitudinal change. If we want to change this country, it starts from individuals. So every one of us must either walk in the light of creative altruism or will perish in the darkness of destructive selfishness.
So since morning, journalists have been waiting at your polling unit to see you come cast your vote. Have you voted?
I have voted. And maybe you went to the wrong polling unit.
At your polling unit?
Maybe you went to the wrong polling unit.
Please, can you state your polling unit for us for verification, please?
I'm not under attack. I've voted.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.